Good evening. My name is Ms. Tagoli and I would like to talk to you about Year 11 Maths GCSE. First and foremost, we start with the equipment. It is very important that your child has the right equipment. By the right equipment, I mean compass, protractor, scientific calculator, ruler, rubber, and a pencil. You can get a compass or a protractor or scientific calculator from any local supermarket. And remember, it has to be a Casio scientific calculator, which is user-friendly in their exams. Now, talking about the paper itself, there's either the foundation tier or the higher tier. Your child will either sit the foundation exam or the higher exam. The foundation exam, the grades range from grade 1 to grade 5, and the higher one, the grades range from grade 4 to grade 9. Both tiers have 3 papers each, and each paper is an hour and a half long and 80 marks each. The first paper on both tiers are non-calculator papers, whereas paper 2 and paper 3, they're both calculator papers. Both tiers are divided into number algebra, ratio proportion, rates of change, geometry and measures, probability and statistics. However, the percentage of each strand on each tier is different. As you can have a look, it's listed there on the slide. We are still covering the content at the moment, and we aim to finish the higher tier by January, whereas the foundation tier in December. Once the foundation has completed the content that needs to be covered, they will start practicing exam papers until the higher tier has finished the content as well. As you can see, there's a lot of content that has been covered already. There are online platforms that are very useful that your child can actually use. We have MathsWatch, and your child will have a username and password to MathsWatch. If they don't, they need to ask their teacher. And also there are useful websites that your child can access for free on the internet. Corbett Maths, where there are videos that they can actually use. A lot of worksheets for each different maths topics. Maths Genie, where they can access exam papers and past exam questions with video links, which are really helpful to them. How can you support your child as a parent or as a carer? Is by monitoring their weekly homework that are set on MathsWatch. Every week, your child will receive homework on MathsWatch. You need to make sure that your child watch the video clips on MathsWatch and practice the questions set on there before completing their homework. If the homework completed on MathsWatch appear as red, this means that your child has scored below the class average. Your child needs to revisit the topic using the video clips and try the question set to improve the homework. If they have any questions regarding the work that's been set, they need to approach their teacher for further explanation. You need to encourage your child to start working independently at home as from now. It is very important that they practice little but often up until their exam. The students will complete a paper 1 exam on the 20th of October, where gaps will be identified and intervention strategies will be applied. This will help them towards the trial exam that is coming up in the second autumn term. We are constantly assessing knowledge at the moment, and we are providing therapies in the classroom and with homework. Once the content has been covered, students will be taking exam paper every 2 weeks to identify gaps and implement interventions. If you have any question, you can email me on the email address provided, and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. I hope that this has been helpful to you and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.